One of the most convenient tools to have in a shop is an air compressor. They're rated differently for different tasks. This is called a Pancake Air Compressor. It's portable, light, and we can use it for all these tools I'm going to show you here. I bought this at a pawn shop. It was $80, almost brand new condition. The only thing that you want to look out for is this regulator here. You want to make sure that when you turn it, it's responsive and that it holds where you set it. This is a static gauge. It tells you how much pressure you have in the tank. This regulator here, though, regulates how much air comes out of the line. And let me just run over real quick some of the things that you can use an air compressor for. In the carpentry trade, this is called a framing hammer. It's used to build a house. This is a trim gun for putting up baseboards and crown molding and all that kind of stuff. This is a brad gun. This is almost like a third set of hands. You just tack something in place, or a small trim. Staple gun, if you do anything with mobile homes for like putting in carpeting or paneling, very handy. This is called a palm gun. You put the nail inside here, you push up against it, and as you press on this, it drives it in. And it's for doing like hurricane straps, mainly strapping of houses. But back to small engine repair. This is an impact gun. It's for taking off lug nuts or flywheel nuts, things that are difficult. So break it loose, it turns it, stops, turns it, stops, turns it, stops. This is an air chisel. This is very handy. As you press up against it, it goes in a back and forth chisel motion. And there's different fittings that'll go into it. This is an air ratchet for breaking and small bolts. Quickly removes them. Everybody knows about an air tool to blow the grass clippings or cleaning something really quick. This is for inflating pool items, for example, floats and that sort of thing. This is if you have children, footballs, basketballs, soccer balls, they're always being deflated. This will fill that effortlessly. If you do any sheetrock, we're starting now to get outside the realm of the tank. You need a lot more air, but this will still do it. This will spray the texture on sheetrock. Now, the next two items won't be good for this. This is too small a compressor, but if you have like a sander, that has a constant flow of air going through it, and that's just too small. The same with this spray gun. It's a high volume, low pressure paint gun, and you won't have runs with this thing. It's beautiful. It'll go down the side of a piece of sheet metal, and you won't have any runs. It's very fine mist, but it needs a lot more air than what this is capable of producing. But for a couple of dollars, you know, stick with pawn shops. You get a warranty, and this was only $80.